Y'all are not gonna believe this. We practicing white privilege today. I know I told y'all I got a white birth certificate, but this white man called me. This white man called me. And he told me to come up here. So I'm up here with this white man. In front of Nick Mosby and Marilyn Mosby house. He loitering. And we're gonna see what the police say. Because since she ain't prosecuting loitering, I'm gonna let him tell a story. I'm just the cameraman. All right, tell me what's going on.
Okay.
Tell them who you are.
My name's Rick Black, like the color. Marilyn Mosby said she's not prosecuting low-level offenses where you don't present a threat to anybody. So I decided that let's see if she wants to prosecute when somebody sits on her steps.
All right.
Hello.
Wait for the homeowner?
I just thought I'd sit and rest and read my book for a while.
Can you pick another area besides that stuff right there?
This is the one I like.
Hey, so what?
This is the one I like.
Okay, well, that's private property, sir.
I know. I understand.
Okay, so you can't sit there.
Would you cut your body camera on?
Yes.
All right. He just, I mean, that's between you and him. I'm just videotaping.
Why?
Because I want to see the law and how the law works.
Okay, so, sir, that's private property. You can't sit there like that. All these steps are private property.
That's why I'm sitting here.
Ooh, wee.
That's why you're sitting
That's
there?
why he's sitting there.
Yeah, because they're not prosecuting trespassing.
Say that again?
Because Marilyn Mosby said she's not prosecuting trespassing.
Well,
That's trespassing, right?
You said you're not involved in it, right?
I'm just asking a question. I'm videotaping.
Shorty.
All right, I'm going to shut up. Go ahead.
So, sir, are you trying to make some sort of political statement? Is that what you're saying?
Political, personal, whatever.
Personal?
Whatever you want to call it.
All right. Well, there's other things besides prosecute. We are allowed to cite for trespasses.
Okay, I'll go to court on it.
Okay. All right. Well, why don't you just find somewhere else to sit instead of taking that route?
Well, because if I go somewhere else, then you're not going to arrest me.
You want to be arrested?
I want to show that...
It's 90-something degrees and the weekday, and you want to be arrested? Is that the goal?
My goal is to show that the government of Baltimore has two sets of rules.
Okay.
One for them and one for everybody else.
That's interesting. That's very time-consuming.
They told me to be quiet, so I'm quiet. Now she calling the police. She didn't give you no warnings, did she? She supposed to give you 3 warnings. All right? She gonna call a unit. The unit will be here in a minute. Kind of, sort of. We trying out white privilege. Yeah, we seeing if white privilege works. She said she ain't gonna lock people up, so he chose to come and sit on their stoop the way they sit on stoops on North Avenue. Say Black Power.
I ran on the Black Power slope. No, you're on film.
Go ahead, just read.
No. It's an old story. I'll tell you when we're not on film.
All right. I'm just the cameraman. I sent Marilyn Mosby a whistleblower's application and she sent it back, so we're going to see each other anyway. We're going to see each other in court. Like I said, a whistleblower's application she got to take. She's the state's attorney. Grand jury. I'm going to the corner because I don't like surprises. We're on Bolton and Lenox. We're on Bolton and Lenox. And I don't see no police around here no more. Look like they left. I hit a helicopter, that's about it. But ain't no police here no more. Well, this is a social scientific experiment about race and racism, because if a black dude would have did this, the police would have came and took us off that step. But that white privilege worked today, y'all. We're going to call it a day because they done left the neighborhood.
We don't know.